Welcome, folks, to Law Made Simple, the podcast where we break down the complexities of the law into bite-sized, easy to digest chunks. I'm Pempho Prayer Mwale, your host and guide on this journey through Malawi's legal maze. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me address the elephant in the room. Podcast. The podcast pandemic that's been sweeping through Malawi lately. I mean, everywhere you turn, it's like another podcast is popping up faster than you can say subscribe. And hey, don't get me wrong, I'm all for spreading the podcast love, but amidst the sea of celebrity gossip, I figured it's high time we give the law a little spotlight. So, what sets this podcast apart from the rest? Well, for starters, we're not here to bore you with legal mumbo jumbo or put you to sleep with lengthy lectures. Oh no, we're here to make law fun and approachable as possible. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a law student, why should I care? And to you, my friend, I say the law affects each and every one of us, whether you realize it or not. So why not arm yourself with little legal know-how while you're at it, right? Each episode of Law Made Simple is crafted with one goal in mind: to simplify Malawi's legal landscape for the average Joe and Jane. Whether you're a law student struggling to make sense of your textbooks or just someone with a curious mind, this podcast is your ticket to legal enlightenment. No fancy legal jargons, no mind-boggling statutes, just plain, simple explanations. So stick around because we've got exciting episodes lined up where we'll dive into the juicy details of Malawi's most landmark cases. And hey, who knows, you might just walk away with a newfound appreciation for law. Until then, remember, ignorance of the law is no defense. See you on the airwaves. I would, however, like to put a disclaimer out there that this is not legal advice. This is just us discussing case law, landmark cases in Malawi, because cases can be tedious. The papers, the judgments, they're a lot. And this is just to help fellow listeners, just those that are curious or law students, to understand what a case is all about and get the main points. That's pretty much what this is about, which is why from time to time I will be asking you to send me an email of a case you feel we should discuss in our next episode. So yes, disclaimer, this is not legal advice. Nope.